हुकूमत गुजरात से अपील करती हूँ कि बराह करम इस अजीम नुकसान पर कोई मुनसिफाना कदम उठाए, मुझे बेखौफ होकर पुरअमन तरीके से जिंदगी गुजारने का हक अदा करें। बराए मेहरबानी मुझे यकीन दिलाया जाए कि मुझे और मेरे खानदान को हिफाजत फराहम की जाएगी।
हमारे साथ इस वक्त बेंगलोर की मशहूर सोशल एक्टिविस्ट अक्काई पद्माशाली हैं। मैं इनसे जानने की कोशिश करूंगा अभी जो ये प्रोटेस्ट यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया गया है, इसका मकसद क्या है मेनली?
As we all know that Bilkis Banu incident is shaming the nation of the Gujarat government taking the decision of releasing the 11 people who were indulged in such an horror attack against the vulnerable sections of our society. I think today's protest seems that there is an agitation against the government of Gujarat, the government of India's notion of releasing these 11 people and celebrating the victory of these 11 people by the right-wing politics is highly unacceptable. Aaj Bangalore has witnessed more than thousands of people with women's rights, child rights, the youth rights, the rights of women, the human rights defenders, sexual minorities. We have gathered here to condemn the attitude of the state, which is highly uncompromisable and not acceptable. The Bilkis Banu's agitation needs justice. Until the justice is taken to utmost level, we believe the Indian judiciary and the faith that is going to happen in this country is something is highly appreciated. We demand the justice for Bilkis Banu should be through the doors of our judiciary.
जिस मुल्क के अंदर बेटी बचाओ का नारा दिया जाता है, उस मुल्क में हम देख रहे हैं कि हर तरफ कहीं ना कहीं वीमेंस की इनसिक्योरिटी का मसला बढ़ता जा रहा है। इसको लेकर के आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
This government policies, this government schemes is anti-women and anti-minorities. Be it Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Swachh Bharat, Don't Sarvanash Bharat. See, I think these are the stuff we need to really address. In the name of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, what happened to our hijab case? What happened to the anti-conversion thing? What happens to the CAA? Some way you are criminalizing women in the back doors of its law, which is not acceptable. And as a human rights activist, I strongly condemn the notion of the state which is against women, which is against the common people of this country who built the nation for to celebrate the 75th of Amrit Mahotsav.
अभी मीडिया में चंद कारपोरेट फैमिली का इन्वेस्ट बढ़ता जा रहा है, उनका इंटरफेयर बढ़ता जा रहा है। दूसरी तरफ बहुत सारे डिजिटल मीडिया के जर्नलिस्ट हैं, इसको अल्टरनेट मीडिया कहा जाता है, उस पर कहीं ना कहीं FIR हो रही है, अरेस्टिंग हो रही है। इसको लेकर आप क्या किस नज़र से देखती है?
I think the journalists, the media section needs to uphold the ethical journalism. It should not be the cook story of one-sided. I think what I say that has to be projected in media and that has to disseminate the information to the common people of this country. I think one-sided journalism is a totally unethical practice.